Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to explain, can you see who has favorited your TikTok videos? If I just go into a TikTok video and I push the favorites button, this one right over here, you can see it has now been added to my favorites. Now this specific account that I'm watching right now, they in fact won't get a notification that I just favorited their TikTok video, and this is probably because if TikTok sent out notifications notifying every time someone saved their TikTok video, you can see this specific TikTok video has 17,400 favorites. That's 17,400 notifications that would have had to go out, which is just too much. So that is one of the reasons as to why they don't do that. But the thing you can see is that you can see exactly how many times people have favorited your TikTok video, and I think that is good enough. You don't really need to see the person who favorited your TikTok video. The only thing on TikTok where you can see the people that have done a certain action is you can see the profile views of your TikTok account. So that's the only feature that allows you to see what accounts have interacted with your content, but that is about it. So I hope this cleared it up for you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.